Good day, everyone. I am John Patrick Alag from BE 2, Section 1. Why you should become a teacher. Inspire future, shape lives, creating impact. Why teaching? Why now? Good day, grade 12 student. As you prepare to close one chapter and to open another, we invite you to consider a profession that changes lives, build the nation, and empower generation. Teaching, let's explore by becoming a teacher might be the best decision you'll ever make. The power of a teacher. You are passionate about learning and helping others. Do you want a career that makes a real difference? Teaching offers fulfillment path with excellence opportunities for both growth and personal satisfaction. Make a difference in people's lives, shape the future of our nation, enjoy job stability and demand, be a lifelong learner and leader, receive professional and personal fulfillment. Teachers are always in demand. Locally and globally, teaching is one of the most recent proof careers, stable government employee. Teaching give purpose every day and chance to make you feel capable. The joy in the student eyes when they learn something is new is priceless. Teachers influence lives beyond the classroom. Every great profession starts with a teacher. You become a mentor, leader, and role model. Be prepared to choose your future career honestly and truthfully. Emphasize your personal fulfillment and societal impact of the teaching profession, how teachers shape the future, and also maintain a positive and enthusiastic tone throughout the presentation. Think about the teachers who inspired you. Imagine being that person to someone else. Teaching is just a job, it's permission to shape minds and uplift future. Teaching, nation building. Advanced opportunities within the education system. Potential for leadership role, head principal. Opportunities for specialization in specific subject or educational fields. Backbone of educational and national progress. Teachers promote literacy values and critical thinking. Key to poverty reduction and social transformation. No country can rise above the quality of its teacher. If you want to help build a better Philippines, become a teacher is the most direct path. Interactive benefits and privilege. Reward beyond the classroom. Job and security benefits. Benefits. Permanent position in DepEd, GIS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth. Competitive salary. Entry level salary. Grade 11 or grade 12. 27,000 per month. Regular increase under the salary standardization law. Leave benefits. Summer vacation. Christmas break. Sick vacation. Vacation, maternity, paternity leaves, scholarship, and continuing education. CHED scholarship for education students, graduate studies support, global opportunities. Filipino teachers in demand abroad, US, UAE, and also Japan. Loan access and housing programs, priority housing, and loans via government programs. Teaching is just novels, it's rewarding with a stable job growth opportunities and government support. Teachers enjoy a life of dignity and fulfillment. Real talk. Many love the profession. What teachers say? Nothing beats seeing a student finally get it. I love knowing my work has a long-term impact. It's not it's not just a job, it's a calling. As in a dedicated teacher, this job gives meaning to life. The respect, the sense of purpose, and the story of student success make every challenge worth it. Scholarship for aspiring teachers. Get support on your journey. CHED Scholarship. CHED Dietary Educational Subsidy. RA 10687 UNIFAS. Private Institution Grants and LGU. Sponsorship. Worried about the cost of college? Don't be. The government and private institution offer generous support for education. Students, they believe in you. Career paths in education. Pools, school teachers now enjoy standard salaries and generous bonuses. Teaching is stressful. Every job is, but teaching comes with the personal fulfillment, one of the noblest professions in the world. Classroom teachers, master teacher, school principal or supervisor, curriculum developer, college instructor, international educator. Teaching opens door whether you stay in the classroom or move into leadership. Your career can grow in many exciting directions. Become a teacher was challenging but rewarding. Teaching requires dedication and hard work, but the rewards are immeasurable. Support system, you'll be the part of a supportive community of educators and mentors. Resource available. The Department of Education, DepEd, provides various resources and support to teachers. Teaching is a calling. To teach is to touch, live forever. You don't just choose to teach, you choose to change the world, the student at a time. This is more than a career. It's a vocation, a purpose, a gift. Be one of us. Join the future of Philippine education. Enroll in a teacher education program. Be part of the solution. Shape the next generation. If you're passionate about helping others, believe in the power of knowledge, and want a meaningful career, this is your moment. Choose teaching. Be a hero. Thank you and God bless everyone. The future is in your hands. Let's rise the generation together. Thank you and God bless.